Okay, so idea when we dance together, how to connect. So we have to give the whole skeleton, the whole spine towards each other. So we do this rocking. So tummy in, chest up, of course, and we imagine the whole skeleton, legs, all the bones inside, ribs, and we give it to each other. So we keep our arm in front, and we keep the whole body, the whole skeleton to each other. Then we try to dance as we keep it. So we can dance and move as much as we want, but we don't want to lose that body-to-body connection, not hand-to-hand, body-to-body connection. So let's do this from the other side. So connect to me here. Boom. Keep your skeleton with me. So the arm should be always in front, but don't lean with your weight. It's just like project your spine through the spine, right? And then you move your body, right? So the next, as we connect it, we try to walk in this position. Yeah, just copy me. Yeah, stay forward. So connect. Give your spine to me and you walk. You walk and we keep. Now, when we get here to the hip twist, ideally, you keep your spine with me as you turn. So you don't want to be in this. That was great. So you don't want to do this. You don't want to have this position. Because if I want to have my spine, my skeleton to you, as a hip twist, I have like almost this beam of light going this way, curving. And the same will be for the other step. I keep my spine with you, and as I turn, stay with you, and then we move together in harmony here. Let's do it. So let's do a couple walks into the hip twist, right? And very good connection. Check if you can move freely inside. Keep it. Walk and a walk. Walk. Now, most important here on the hip twist, keep your spine skeleton with your partner. Excellent. Now, as you pass, stay with me. Project your spine, go forward, walk, and now because we are connected here, we can create a harmony of action, of the settling, and when we move away. And now here, very important to keep spine towards each other. You do more pretty arm, right? Excellent. Now here, as we are connected, we can feel each other action for the exit. Womb and 30 and forward. The same here when we do a turns or alemana. We want to stay with our spines towards each other. Let me demonstrate here. So you stay towards me. So as you're doing your turn, do not turn your shoulders here, but project your spine forward to your partner. And especially as you finished it here, still keep it. Keep your skeleton, keep your spine to your partner. All the time, pushing sensation is recommended. Change. Fan. Thank you. Boom. And walk, and walk, and walk. Stay with me. So this arm shouldn't change. And of course, we don't want to be focusing on arm. We're focusing on the body, on the feel of the spine. And excellent. You can put your arm here. Or you can put the arm here. Either way is good. Walk, turn, and immediately find your partner. Not that fast. Get there. But still be aware where your spine is projecting. Walk and with me here. So the same here on the opening out. As we open out, very good. You want to have your spine almost aiming for your partner, right? Even though you have your action and beautiful foot pointed, spine-wise, we're towards each other all the time. Walk, walk, and walk, and a walk, and walk, and walk, and a walk, walk, and walk, and a walk, and walk, and excellent.